Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking, and Card Making. Today I'm sharing the new Spellbinders card making kit for the month of August 2019, and the name of this kit is Hang With Me. And this month's Spellbinders card making kit contains the following: 10 cards and 10 envelopes, 8 pieces of cardstock, a set of 15 dies, that's right, 15 dies, paper pad, memory cards, stamp set, sequins, die cut shapes, and boy do we have plenty of those, layered stickers, foam squares, and adhesive tape. And with each Spellbinders card making kit, you also get an ideas card that shows you some card making ideas and how to put your die cuts together. I'll be leaving a link to this month's Spellbinders card making kit in the description area below. Also, hit that bell notification button. That way you'll be able to see my next video, Spellbinders video, in the days to come, where I show you several card making ideas from this kit. Enjoy the video.